Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, is a technology that allows devices to connect to the internet or communicate with each other wirelessly within a certain range. Here's a simplified explanation of how Wi-Fi works. Basic components: wireless router, the central device that broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal. It connects to the internet via a modem and then transmits the internet signal wirelessly. Wireless adapter, built into devices like smartphones, laptops, and tablets to receive the Wi-Fi signal. How Wi-Fi works: radio frequency signals. Wi-Fi operates on radio frequency, RF, signals, specifically in the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands. The router uses these bands to broadcast a Wi-Fi signal. SSID, Service Set Identifier, the name of the Wi-Fi network. Devices scan for available SIDs and display them to users for connection. Authentication and encryption, WPA/WPA2/WPA3, security protocols used to authenticate and encrypt the data transmitted over the Wi-Fi network to prevent unauthorized access. Connection process, association, the wireless adapter in a device communicates with the router to establish a connection. Authentication, the device must provide the correct password to access the Wi-Fi network. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. After successful authentication, the router assigns an IP address to the device, allowing it to communicate with other devices and access the internet. Data transmission, once connected, data is transmitted between the device and the router using the Wi-Fi signal. Data packets, information is broken down into small packets before being transmitted. These packets are then sent and reassembled at the destination. Range and interference, Wi-Fi signals have a limited range, affected by physical obstacles like walls and interference from other electronic devices operating on the same frequency. Signal strength, devices farther from the router may experience weaker signals and slower connection speeds. Types of Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi standards, 802.11b/g/n/ac/ax, different Wi-Fi standards with varying speeds and capabilities. Frequency bands, 2.4 GHz, offers better range but slower speeds and is more susceptible to interference. 5 GHz, provides faster speeds but has a shorter range and is less prone to interference. Key terms: SSID, name of the Wi-Fi network. Encryption, securing the data transmitted over the Wi-Fi network. IP address, unique identifier for devices on a network. Bandwidth, maximum data transfer rate of a network. In summary, Wi-Fi technology enables wireless communication between devices using radio frequency signals. The router broadcasts a Wi-Fi signal, and devices with a compatible wireless adapter can connect to this signal. After authentication and association, data is transmitted between the device and the router, allowing users to access the internet and communicate wirelessly within the network.